How to automate review requests with a Google Sheets integration. Easily connect a Google Sheet to your GetMoreOnlineReviews.com account and automatically send email or SMS review requests when a new customer is added to your Google Sheet. 1. Sign into your GetMoreOnlineReviews.com account. 2. Select Connect under Google Sheets. 3. Click the New Authentication field and enter a name. A new window will appear, prompting you to sign into your Google account. Select the option to see, edit, create, and delete all your Google Sheets spreadsheets. 5. You'll see Google Sheets Authentication, with a green box with Google Sheets connected, and your file name. Then click Finish. 6. You'll see a message that a spreadsheet was created named ReviewManager Recipients. 7. Open your Google Drive account in a new window. You should see a new Google Sheet with the title ReviewManager Recipients. 8. We recommend you send a test to verify the integration is working. Note, do not enter anything in the Sent to Review Manager. This will be auto-updated with a Y after the data is transferred. 9. Navigate back to your GetMoreOnlineReviews.com account. Go to Dashboard. Review Request. Recipients. Active to see your automatically uploaded customers. Please allow some time for this to complete. Congratulations, your Google Sheet is now integrated with your GetMoreOnlineReviews.com account. Start your 100% money-back guarantee, 30-day trial today.